Business efficiency. Chevron Upstream Europe is our first finalist for the Business Efficiency Award and has been nominated for completing a complex project to bring a damaged subsea well back into production, safely and within budget. It involved collaboration between Chevron and its suppliers, creative thinking and innovative use of technology.
The situation, to our knowledge at the time, was a unique situation with this damaged wellhead. When we asked around, we couldn't really find anyone that could help us. So we had to utilise the experts within Chevron and also our business partners to pretty much innovate, to come up with unique solutions, unique ideas, or look at existing technologies and how they could be adapted or modified to fit our requirements. The project had some highs, we had some lows. There were times where we definitely felt we'd reached the end of the road and could go no further. But with teamwork and collaboration and good team spirit and plenty of innovation, we ultimately achieved our goal. And that well was brought back onto production safely and contributes 5,000 barrels a day to Chevron Upstream Europe.
Secondly, Cyberhawk Innovations and Stork Technical Services are jointly nominated for pioneering the world's first inspection of an offshore installation using a remotely operated aerial vehicle. The team used the technology to inspect a drilling derrick without disrupting drilling operations. The results of the inspection allowed the team to get a better picture of the work required.
Cyberhawk has spent the last 3.5 years developing systems to allow you to fly a remote vehicle close to objects. It's taken a long time to get the technology to a point where it can be taken offshore. So we flew the ROAV, as we call them, remote operated aerial vehicle, from the ground up to the top of the derrick and flew around it, did a visual inspection in a fraction of the time that it would have taken to do it using rope access. This was the first time the technology had been deployed in an offshore environment, and the project was a huge success with a saving of approximately $5 million to the project.
Finally, Stork Technical Services has been nominated for developing an innovative hot bolt clamp technology. This uses hydraulic clamps to enable the safe removal and replacement of corroded bolts on live, flanged connections with 8 bolts or less, without disrupting production. The system only takes one person around 40 minutes to rework a flange, instead of 2 people taking 2 hours.
Previously, the corroded studs were identified. They were scheduled to be done during a scheduled shutdown and incorporated during shutdown works, which took resources away from alternative tasks which needed to be done during that time. The hot bolt clamps effectively removed this shutdown requirement, and we were able to replace corroded stud bolts and 4-bolt flanges with the system remaining live and in operation. As it's an industry-first product, we are currently working in the North Sea with a number of operators. We've completed over 1,200 flange connections to date with a 100% success rate.